Hey guys, it's Fonzie with DYC, and today we're going to do something that may be just incredibly stupid or incredibly awesome. I don't know. It's going to be expensive, and it's going to be a risk, but a lot of people have asked for it, and you guys know if you ask for something enough, eventually we're probably going to do it. Today we are taking every single HyperShift pearl that we have and mixing them together. Enjoy the video. So when I say we're mixing together every HyperShift pearl that we have, what exactly does that mean? How many do we have? 4, 6, 8? Let me show you. We have ZTG, ZTL, ZTA, ZGA, ZTO, ZTF, ZTK, ZTS, ZTN, ZTP, ZTX, ZTU, ZTZ, ZTR, and ZTM. That is however many we just counted out. I don't know, 14 or 15. All of them incredibly high saturated, insane shifting pearls. Are they going to fight against each other or work together in an amazing conglomeration of hypershifting madness? There's only one way to find out. Let's start mixing it up. All right, guys, the car's done. I'm gonna leave the judging of the end result up to you guys. Now, again, this was an expensive project. I'm not suggesting that anybody do this, and I'm not suggesting that the end result was worth it or not worth it. All I can say is you can't get this color any other way. I've never seen another pearl or a group of pearls recreate this exact color. Whether or not you love it or whether or not you hate it is completely up to you. But I know for a fact that mixing together 15 HyperShift pearls is the only way to end up with this exact finish. Now, if you want to dip your car, we have much, much more reasonable colors than this. Hundreds to choose from. Click up here. It'll bring you to our car kits, and they include everything you need to get the job done. The gallons, the sprayer if you need one, all the accessories. If you have any questions at all about this entire dipping process, about this peelable paint process, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. It's even better because we love to talk to you guys about your projects. Now, let's go outside and check out what the end result is after you spend a bunch of money and mix together 15 ridiculous pearls. It's Fonzie. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.